Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Primevolve Portable Fan, and I do want to thank Primevolve for actually gifting this to me. So this fan is actually pretty unique compared to other portable fans that I've used before. Obviously, it's not a neck fan, but it is portable, and it's not the smallest fan. But with that being said, it has like close and open indicators. So right here it says open. That means you need to detach it from this side here. And then with it, you can flip this open so it looks just like that. So this fan has different modes or different ways to use it. It has the initial compact mode, which I showed you earlier. Then it has like a desktop mode, which it just sits on your desk like this, and you can just turn it on. And it's got 3 different fan speeds. So the higher the fan speed, the more battery that it's going to use. And this is rechargeable, and so you do get a USB-C cable that you can use to recharge this. It also has an oscillating mode, so if I press the oscillation button, it is going to pan left and right very slowly. But overall, I'd say the fan speed is going to be really good. Like I'm about, let's say, 4 feet away from it, and it feels great. Like I can feel the breeze. I can't wait to use this camping. I do want to show you the other modes though. So this can actually extend to about 40 inches. But overall, I'd say that this is a really neat way to actually go ahead and cool down when it comes to camping outdoors. So super excited to try this out. It's super compact as well. It doesn't take up a lot of room. So just like that, this is how small it's going to be. But overall, very pleased with it.